If your Yahoo inbox feels messy, cluttered, or hard to keep up with, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to filter and organize Yahoo Mail so you can automatically sort incoming messages, keep important emails easy to find, and spend less time dragging messages around one by one. This is a simple setup, but it can save you a ton of time every single day. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner and click the settings icon, which is the gear symbol. This is where Yahoo keeps the options for customizing your mailbox and creating rules that help you stay organized. After that, click More Settings. This opens the full settings panel where you can adjust different parts of your Yahoo account, including how your inbox behaves and how emails are sorted. From here, look for the Filters section and click it. Filters are the key to automatic organization because they let Yahoo Mail decide what to do with certain emails based on rules that you create. Now click Add New Filters. This is where you start building your own email sorting rule. You'll usually begin by setting a condition such as a sender email address, a subject line keyword, or another detail that helps Yahoo recognize the message you want to organize. For example, if you get a lot of newsletters from the same sender, you can use that sender's email as the filter condition. Once you set the condition, choose what you want Yahoo Mail to do with those emails. In this case, you can choose a folder to move the emails into. This is one of the best ways to keep your inbox clean because instead of leaving everything in one place, Yahoo automatically sends messages to the right folder as soon as they arrive. If you want, you can create separate folders for work, bills, subscriptions, personal messages, or shopping receipts. That way, your inbox becomes much easier to scan and you can quickly find what matters without digging through everything manually. The more specific your filters are, the better your mailbox will stay organized. After choosing the folder, click Save. Once you save the filter, Yahoo Mail will start using it right away. That means future emails that match your condition will be automatically sorted for you. This is really helpful if you receive lots of repetitive messages or want to make sure important emails don't get buried. A good tip is to create a few different filters instead of just one. For example, you could make one filter for work emails, another for social notifications, and another for online orders. Over time, this turns Yahoo Mail into a much more structured system that works for you in the background. So that's the basic process for filtering and organizing Yahoo Mail. Open Settings, go to More Settings, choose Filters, add a new filter, set your condition, choose the folder, and save it. Once you do that, your inbox becomes easier to manage and a lot less stressful. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.